Everybody else keeps it. Of course, it's down.
Okay.
Down. Let me make sure I got my lighter and everything ready. Why did I do it?
Okay.
There it is.
Okay. Okay.
I'm
Okay.
Just
I'm just messing with the decibel setting.
Cigarette. They all turned all their stuff off across the street.
I would definitely swivel the bar out if I was holding it like this. What time are we allowed to light them off?
Midnight. Just make sure nobody's out here. That's the big thing with me. Quiet. Hang on. Let's just chill for a minute. Ooh, it's gotten quiet out here. Wow, it got quiet. Dang, Danny, I don't know. God, this is obvious.
What happened to all the fireworks, folks?
I don't know.
Well, if you don't want to do it, don't do it. But since we're out here anyways, we might as well finish tonight. There's kids over there though, if you're worried about people. Over there in the house, over those houses. Straight ahead.
Oh, I see.
We had to light that last one. Oh my gosh, Dad. Dad, Grandma.
Wow, look at that. Oh my God. Did you videotape that?
Hold on, let me get this.
Did you get that on here?
Let me adjust my settings here.
God,
And gain up on this.
I can't.
we probably should not write another one.
We gotta watch these kids coming because they're walking down.
Yeah, I said we probably should not write another one.
Oh my God. This thing will blow a hole in an elephant. I'm telling you. Let's see if they'll pass or not. I can't believe it's Danny. Oh, God. If I would have gotten the mulch trap, those would have went everywhere.
Yeah, you would not.
All over the place.
Good thing you didn't do that. Okay, now I need to get my.
Let's let them go. Dogs.
Get my
Act like we're hanging out here. Yeah, that's...
do it. Auto.
Oh my God. There's no grass ever going to grow there again.
It's an obvious bomb. You just blew.
I would have put that on the equipment. God,
You should just make a trail to
I
the.
should put one right next to it. We're going to light it. Just chill out for a minute. Just act like we're sitting over here. Oh my God, Danny, that's hilarious. Glad you didn't do one in your backyard. James would have been like, now Danny, how are we going to cut this grass? It's dirt.
Okay. Here's the damage. Dad, you blew a hole in the ground out here, dude. That's why we should have a cinder block out here or something.
No.
But, no, we shot it on boards and stuff last year. I can't remember what we did in the lanes. There was a hole in the board from one, but not all of them.
Put that on the slide.
Oh, yeah, there'd be a dent in the plastic.
A dent.
I don't.
I think it would have went through. It's back down to earth.
Well, it didn't go into the ground that way. I mean, it blew the grass and stuff. Like the ground's still solid down there. See what this does, right? Oh, that's real good. Low lux. I can see everything like it's bright and stuff. Look at this. See how bright it is in low lux mode.
That's police.
Please. Please. Better do it while the end of their show is going on.
And, can't believe it got so quiet so quick. Too late now. Videotape it.
Videotape. Jeez. Oh man. You hear the pieces? Then let's see the damage. Now we're going inside. Get away from trouble.
Gotta get away from trouble for a while.
Did you set it to the right of it?
Yes,
so
I
you'll
did.
have another. You'll clear a path.
Oh, there's gonna be a
Alright, there's a lot of bugs in here, so.
Oh my god.
No, I heard
It blew a
that.
hole. It blew this giant hole in the grass out there. The first one show her
Where?
in the playground. We're just doing it in the playground.